Have you ever wondered what makes KFC chicken so irresistible? Today, we're diving deep into the mystery behind their famous blend of 11 herbs and spices. KFC's secret recipe was developed in 1939 by Colonel Sanders. It's a blend of 11 herbs and spices that has remained unchanged, locked away in Louisville, Kentucky. The exact recipe is known by only a few people at KFC's parent company, Yum! Brands. They've never revealed the specific herbs and spices used. While Sanders perfected his recipe, he found that pan-frying chicken took too long, up to 30 minutes per order. This led him to the now famous pressure frying technique. Various claims have surfaced over the years, including one from a distant relative of Colonel Sanders who leaked the recipe after being blocked by KFC on social media. Despite these claims, Yum! Brands remains tight-lipped. They've only stated that lots of people have claimed to discover or figure out the recipe over the years. Today, this secret blend of 11 herbs and spices continues to be a major factor in KFC's global success. It's a testament to the power of a well-guarded recipe. So, what do you think about KFC's secret blend? Could it really be just 11 simple herbs and spices?